Hi, I'm Mau Mauro. Bali, previously, nag-work ako as team supervisor sa corporate, sa BPO to be specific. And then, during pandemic, that's when I moved to work from home as a virtual assistant. I see Forex trading as something that I can depend on once I retired. At saka, sa business, yung traditional business, na-experience ko na kasi yung mga traditional business na yun. Andun yung you have to think about the inventories, capitals, people. So, yung mga bagay na yun medyo time-consuming. Siyempre may mga challenges din na involved. That's when I decided to move to Forex trading. Kasi nga, ang iisipin mo lang is your knowledge, your skills, your emotions, and then if you'll be successful and you're doing well with all your strategies, then you'll be profitable. And then, of course, compounding, you'll be able to save from your profits. Bali, si Coach Lady kasi, nakikita ko na yan sa Facebook newsfeed ko before pa na-build na-establish si LTA. Parang nakikita ko siya nagbibigay ng mga advice and tips about finances. Yun, so nakikita ko maganda yung mga tips niya. In-start ko siyang i-follow. Tapos nakikita ko yung journey niya sa trading. Nakikita ko sumasali siya ng mga group. Nagpupunta pa siya sa ibang bansa para I think may tinutulungan din siya noon ng mga OFW na gustong mag Forex trading or CFD trading. Then nung na-establish na yung LTA, nakita ko maraming mga successful stories. So sabi ko, kung hindi ko gagawin ngayon, kailan pa? So nung nag-start kasi ako, nakikita ko yung chart, parang ECG ba? parang ECG, parang lifeline ng sa hospital, parang gano'n. I only see candle red and green, that's all. So hindi ko siya maintindihan. But then nung I entered the journey from junior to senior, parang nagkaroon ng third eye ng isang trader. Naiintindihan ko na kung anong nangyayari sa chart, kung anong nangyayari sa market. Actually, lahat naman very important aspects sa bawat phases ng learning sa trading. Pero yung pinaka nag-stand out sa akin is yung sophomore. Kasi dun ko naintindihan yung chart, yung concepts, paano maintindihan yung positions ng bawat entry mo, tamang risk management, take profit, stop loss, yun. And then another phase sa akin na may nabigay na malaking impact is yung senior. Kasi naintindihan ko how big institutions trade. Very encouraging sila, saka hindi sila madamot sa mga knowledges and tips na meron silang maibibigay. Of course, nandyan na yung structure ng curriculum natin, pero meron silang mga different advices na natutunan nila sa journey nila na sinishare nila sa amin. So, after 5 years, I envision myself na na-master ko na yung mga strategy ko. Profitable na ako. Hopefully, meron na akong 70 to 80% win ratio sa trading. At the same time, yung profit na kinikita ko na sa trading is something na mare-replace yung current income ko. At the same time, mag-build sa, of course, financial freedom. Exciting yung word kasi nga, since Saturday, Sunday yung class ko, lagi kong nilook forward yung weekend kasi yun yung days na, papasok na uli ako, may matututunan na uli ang bago. So, yun yung something na describe ko about my experience with LTA. Exciting. My message to Coach Lady and to the LTA family, a big and deep gratitude for building this community. I'm Mau Mauro, LTA graduate, batch 13.
Don't just watch others succeed in the market, be part of it. Enroll now at Legendary Trading Academy and start your journey today.